Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's cause.
Twitter may have its own rules. It's not a universal rule. If Mr. President, anywhere in the world, feels very bad and concerned about a situation, he is free to express such views. Now, we should stop comparing apples with oranges. If an organization is proscribed, it is different from any other organization which is not proscribed. Two, any organization that gives directives to its members to attack police stations, to kill policemen, to attack correctional centers, to kill warders. I'm not saying that Mr. President does not have the right to express his dismay and anger about that. We are the one guilty of double standards. I don't see anywhere in the world where an organization, a person will stay in somewhere outside Nigeria and will direct its members to attack the symbols of authority, the police, the military, especially when that organization has been proscribed. By whatever name, you can't justify giving orders to kill policemen or to kill anybody you do not agree with. Thank you very much. Yes. The mission of Twitter in Nigeria is very, very suspect. As Twitter deleted the violent tweets that Nnamdi Kanu has been sending, has it? The same Twitter, during the NSAS program, that was funding NSAS protesters, was the first to withdraw, to close the account of former president of US, Trump. And you see, when people were burning police stations and killing policemen in Nigeria during NSAS, for Twitter, it was about the right to protest. But when a similar thing happened on the Capitol, it became insurrection. You see, we are not going to be fooled by anybody. We have a country to rule, and we'll do so to the best of our ability. Twitter's mission in Nigeria, citing those two examples, is very suspect. What is the agenda? Thank you very much. President's speech that anybody who is destroying infrastructure, who is destroying police office, INEC, that should be ready for the consequences. Is that inciting violence? Sir? Ma?
Okay. So my question is that, since we're on inciting speeches, how come Buhari that has also been speaking along the same lines, how come he hasn't been picked up? Because I know that one or two things Nigerians have been, having this effort, having this bottle about how we have been reacting to how Boko Haram, he's been justifying
his you see, I think this that's why I think you are again mixing things. If an organization is proscribed. Ab initio, that organization does not exist in that country. There are many Nigerians, for instance, who have been inciting people against government. Many.
This is Gumi, who is supposed to be a middleman between Boko Haram and the government.
Who appointed Gumi?
So that's one of the questions.
No, listen. You see, for me, unless you come and tell me this is what Gumi said as inciting, and you are comparing him to Kanu. And anyway, what we were discussing was different. We were discussing Twitter. But if you want to ask a question about Gumi or any other person, go ahead but please be objective. There's so many people who are not even Gumi who have been spewing hate against Mr. President, against his government. So if you want to comment, be fair. Don't take a position as if, don't take a position which is not objective. If we were to pick up everybody today who had been abusing this administration, the detention centers will be filled up. And you'll be the first persons also to talk about lack of tolerance, lack of rule of law. But I'm saying that you cannot compare anybody with Kanu, who boldly says, go and kill policemen. I think sometimes where you be, some of these policemen are our brothers, they are our uncles, they are our children. We kill them, their wives become, widows, their children become orphans. And what is the offense of these policemen? Because they are working to keep the country one. What's the offense of the soldiers? They are putting down their lives every day so that me and you can sleep. It's not acceptable anywhere in the world for anybody, anywhere, to stay in the comfort of the UK or wherever and now give directives that go and kill soldiers, go and kill policemen. Thank you.